first what is menopause. So before the menopause, I will get into a reproductive cycle. The female has a reproductive cycle which is divided into 4 phases. The first phase starts with puberty, that is premenopause. Then the second is the perimenopause, the age which is between 30 to 35, because now we are seeing very early menopauses. Then the third phase is your menopause. And the fourth phase is your post-menopause. So generally, between pre-menopause is the time when you are fertile and you start with your menstrual cycle. The perimenopause is the time when you are in your mid-30s or mid-35s. That is the time when you see that there is a fluctuation in your estrogen and your progesterone levels, where you see your periods are not regular, the menstrual cycles are with cramps. Sometimes you have this hot flushes, sometimes you are very irritable, you suddenly see a drastic change in your weighing scale. Though you feel, I eat so normal, but how am I putting on weight? So suddenly you see that bloating which happens. You suddenly see there is a lot of irritation. So these are the times when you are in your PMS again, your perimenopause. Menopause is a period where you have complete cessation of your periods for past 12 months, at least 10 to 12 months, where you are absolutely not menstruating. You are no more fertile. You are no more with that childbearing, and complete, the hormones basically have gone completely low. So that is perfect menopause. And after that is your post menopause, where you see, and this is a very interchangeably term used, the post menopause. It is just the balance of everything there. So this is how the menopause and the perimenopause is there. Coming to your second question about how does it get affected with your physical and your mental health. So let me tell you that we as humans, we know when we start with our menstrual cycle, there is again something which goes on inside our mind, inside our body, because of our hormones. And as these hormones start tapering down, again there is that differences which is seen in our physical aspect as well as in our mental aspect. So first, understanding when you approach towards your middle age, you are so so stressed out with your work, with your responsibilities, with your priorities. Then there is something which comes as anxiety. Anxiety related to finances, anxiety related to job, anxiety related to getting yourself settled. And that is the time when the hormones, they start playing up and down. You see the decrease of the progesterone, you see decrease of the estrogen levels. And then partially the physical changes which is seen is with breast tenderness, slight swelling and heaviness in the breast. And then you see that your weight is bloating. And then with the mental aspect, you see your irritation levels, your mood swings. And it is nothing ki it is time perfect ki 10 o'clock ko is going to be mood swing, 12 o'clock ko I will not get irritated, 1 o'clock ko I will not be angry. No, there are graphs which are there, which is not a permanent graph. Of course the graph is variable. Secondly, this is not a perfect science. It's not like one size fits all. Some people experience it more, some people might experience it less, some people might not at all experience. Some people, they experience only calmness. They understand that there is only stillness. I'm not able to understand what is it happening, but I want to be to myself. Some people feel, the sound is very irritating. So if you are speaking very softly also, there is an irritation. So everyone goes through this in a very different way. Only the thing is you need to understand it, and you need to voice it out, and you need to tell what are you undergoing. Because I understand that the tuning is being made so much that are period aega, menopause hoga. No, everything comes with your emotions. everything comes with your physical, social, and entire psychological background. So you need to talk about it. You need to get into the awareness ki this, look, this is what I am feeling. And when you see right now, like in this COVID, what I have seen the situations, like, people have lost their near dear ones. There is this job which has come up with insecurity. So this has again given a fall in the levels of the hormones. And we are again seeing a very early menopause. People at the age of 37 and 38, they come and they tell ki, oh, look, I don't know what is going wrong, but past 6 months, I am not feeling any desire. There is no sexual desire in me. I am getting very much irritated about those topics. I'm not been menstruating. So there is this emotional thing also which comes as a stress, which is again coming as a PMS in them. So definitely physically, mentally, also socially, because you are becoming old. How do you start accepting your old age? Oh, I look so beautiful. In 20s, I was so this. And how am I started looking so bad suddenly? Or maybe my graying of my hair, I'm not able to accept it. So this all comes, the physical changes. Sometimes it is acceptance, sometimes it is a non-acceptance. So all these things together makes a big thing for menopause.